Yeah, all good as I was saying, I was saying, I just saying, you go back, okay, I deal back. I will share a Gonja, and when you go back to the question, I asked Asanteman for here. Asanteman, I said, almost in the Damba, I asked a bit of Damba, I grow it. And I ever celebrate.
Sadia Damba, Agro,
Damba Agro, Damba Agro. I know I'm for the door. God bless the king. God bless the king of the kingdom. God bless the Lord of the Gonja kingdom. God bless God. Yes, see, I'm going for her. You have been was our today. I was a friend of Damba Asa, Damba dance or Poto, and Damba dance of the Gonja people.
It's known as the heritage of the Gonjas, the Mbanye. We are Muslims, so this is the dance we put up when we are celebrating the first time of every event. So it is announced that this is the first time the king of Gonja is meeting Otumfo Osei the second. Otumfo Osei the second. This is a long-term activity in November. We are sincerely grateful. Thank you very much.
Asantehene so kwalipodia ya ohimo ho kaka just yin na ya de gbako ade na fise ebusua to prayer ne kabonwa no a na de dia ye bo ho pae na twedi ampo nyanko patom ya de for prayer ye na ohu ye no this one dey no nyame atom na abam ya penso na oto e kabomu ne prayer e dedi e wo menhia botufi ye nua no ye Gonja for omo Damba asa Damba dance and na osa the child we no be good to can go your take
Otumfo Osei the second.
Yes, don't go so far.
The king of wisdom
na odi asa the child something ya me na yo kese was udie and ambo Ghana to pillar of peace for my Ghana. I'm ready, I'm ready, Christ. We are going to for when you are about excitement, the love, the joy, the unity, the mutual respect. Oh man. This is something that is one of a kind. This is something that will be the kingdom of our country forever. God bless the king. God bless he who sits on the God used to. God bless the overlord of the Gonja state.
We are happy to
I don't know what's happening. At the end of the day, opinion said, "You will say, come on, yeah, come on, and something a trophy. Gonja in one and I will do you anymore. When I just God bless the overlord of the Gonja kingdom. Gonja and the Amandia Christ. So, Yagbonwura, when you phone in a mind, and we have a career. I said, don't wear by no. Asanteman Manhyia, or Kahobi, of Yagbonwura, Aka, Yagbonwura, ya no so na e ka Yagbonwura no we na ka obi afi pembine o ina ka obi ahifo person so na ye Gonja ko so mra o ma chia ira no a e na e ko sabre o de ye hwebie esiwani e so ka cha atie God bless the king. God bless you who sits on the body stool. You are something. Moments and F. This is F. Papa. ina ye ni baba ko ye kabo mu a na ye man
Adento ye ma ye rotu fo.
Na e won sabe abusia
Adento ye ma na Manhyia.
mama ne bonya eso mama san
Adento ye mo tu fo Berekum.
ya wota wa mama no amanye di
Adento ye ma Berekum.
ya wuti asa enya se putua na ko na ba sa ina ye dije ina yo do ina ya suje eno a ene ko sabe something na Roma na ayo fisi something na Roma na wa ye amala isi se ya isi love peace unify Kayina bom, Kayina Galina bom, Amanamina Cabo, Amasia, and I was your bomb, and the Titans, I mean, I know, and patent, yes, now, that's a way of pillar, and I was Sabria, and Mamma, yes, yes, yeah, the fun is which so Gonja home, and that's before that's a very good yes, they say you're something. Maybe I am out door and not yet. So, yes, I will ready. Yeah, I'll probably want once. So I was nobody was actually right. You're something in I know I was something else. That's Mama sign. No one say yes, it's here on the top. And couple more, and I hate trouble. Somebody else, yeah. Papa, we just are running away. And you was no muscle at the actually running. Or some muscle at Zera. I walk what a romantic and a regular we there whom I am. But now, I am Kasa, I am so the money is and the Indians I had to the shop. I would say, I'll never anymore. I'll probably put that in and also and one ever something. And I was happy to I didn't you and the woman about as so said he said, fantastic Gonja for and I don't know if you go down by here. And this year was here. And yes, I was something. Any January, as Mama side, I also a couple. We are going to for Allah, and we'll back on and a good for Gael. That's what Papa swore. Am I right? And yes, January was a year. That's what I say. God bless the king. God bless the king. I was saying, I said, Gonja, this year, the Mantam, I Savannah region, Savannah, and I said, Savannah region, Savannah Mantam, and I Gonja, I don't see a bit of Gonja in Yagbonwura every Savannah region, Savannah Messino, a banner Musini, which are the regional minister, Savannah region, Savannah Mantam, Yagbonwura, and the buy. After Savannah Mantam was one for Bolia, but then must be Jenny, you're not there, so for the chief. Yeah, and yeah, where's one for the chief where my gun? I'm not going. And then I'm not a buy. And you are is the display of the beautiful Dampa dance exhibited by brothers and sisters in the Gonja state in the northern part of Ghana. Here, Avemeshapa is the seat of the king of the Ashanti region to show the rich culture, the diversity that exists among Ghanaians, and the unity, love that we peacefully cohabit as a singular nation. Said we are Tisa and Yagbonwura be Asante ye futi be na be yakebia ye so amamre ya mane kwanso the phone, you can't
Jande belong. I would you get Jande please. No would not be in no would make again. Aha, no would make again. Then there is two one. Aha,
Gonja himpon eba abekasa nana Gonja himpon eba abekasa tibeti Yagbonwura na no asem ode batuja ewo menshi akotofie na aboa bia aya Asantehene aboa bia aya kabekasa bia mamre and so yes so no time the overlord of the Gonja state Yagbonwura will officially address the king Asanteman at this grand debate. Nabwa Amabibia Ayasube said ya ese na for 24 comments bra that the tibia at the time edu amount said ya obviously to us and say you are going to live ba double to the boss cheche match I will carry okay yeah okay and say you are going to live ba double cheche match ya be ko so I say amanya yeah yeah mamre and ya Chieftaincy Gonja himpon or that say I will make sure to coffee that day no be ya bunya the enterprise, which I watch the enterprise, Gonja himpon, and I'm not so much to die. Enterprise, Gonja himpon, Bekasa. Yeah, I asked me this and they said, okay, yeah, I said, okay. It's Gonja himpon, Bekasa. Now you know Bekasa. Now we see the some kaka, to Gasa, the Mamma, I'm going to be so I assume I can you be sack you one Africa moon you it I can go ambulance be your bass Gafara so
I like this style.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Therefore, we should get here. I have a paper.
I hope you are getting the line.
Intie papa.
Media.
Uzo intie papa anasem ohini ode Yagbonwura anasem ebetuja acheyira. Mame Yagbonwura no asem mame no mama yansaneti. Sana mama titi. Nana every day am be at for we am Gonja for ya mama Gonja ohini point chain na be na eti ohini eche. Intie Gonja mama na anasem Gonja hempo. Follow.
Those present include the Dormaahene. He is Dormaahene Borisa, Mankwawura Akode, Kulowura Kotochi, Banshawura, Warawicha, Jantongra, Kibasibi, Kabandura, Kayiti, P0werful, Bambangi, Unifiso, Kandiaura, Yaurabi, Kongura, Jumkurge, P0werful, Purundumi, Edun, Kafabaura, Morisa, Kapulasura, Dr. Abu Sakara, then the Iskora. These are the chiefs, paramount chiefs, divisional chiefs who have accompanied the Yagbonwura to this occasion. Queen mothers are part of the delegation, and I wish to acknowledge all of them. We also have officials from Gonja. They include Honorable Suleiman Yusuf, MP for Berekum, and Deputy Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. We have Honorable Salisu Yaurube, the Savannah Regional Minister. We have Honorable Andrew Chowate, the MP for Solar Tuna Kalba. Honorable Alasa Mumuni, MP for Salaga North. And we have Mr. Alhassan Baba Darisen, President of the Gonja Land Youth Association. Your Royal Majesty. Now the address from Yagbonwura. Your Royal Majesty, King of Ashanti Kingdom, King Otumfo Osejuku II, Honorable Ministers of State, Honorable Members of Parliament, Nananom, Asanteman, Gonja Land, religious leaders, the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I bring you warm greetings from the Gonja Kingdom and the Savannah region. It's a great honor to lead this delegation on a courtesy call to the Manhyia Palace. Nananom, this visit reflects my desire of promoting unity and stronger collaboration with the Ashanti Kingdom, in keeping with our ancient kingship. We are deeply grateful to your Royal Majesty and the people of Asanteman for the warm reception and hospitality you have accorded us. I'm greatly honored to be associated with this significant festival of Asanteman. It comes at a period when expectations are high for traditional authorities to continue preserving and promoting their rich traditions and customs. Such efforts are essential not only for the safeguarding of cultural heritage, but also for enhancing tourism and contributing to the socio-economic development of our country. May I use this special occasion to formally extend my best wishes to your Royal Majesty King Osejuku II, the Asantehene, and my brother, Nananom, invited guests. In Ghana, the institution of chieftaincy has been acknowledged by successive legislation and constitutional provisions as playing an important role in the life of the country, particularly in the administration of rural communities and the management of our natural resources. Numerous studies have shown that despite controversies over the relevance of this institution, chiefs remain pivots around whom local communities thrive. I therefore want to appeal to the traditional rulers in Ghana to take this opportunity to prove to skeptics that the chieftaincy institution is ready to take the appropriate steps to better the lot of community members. My visit to my brother, the Asantehene, is a game changer and a giant step to collaborate to improve the lives of our people. Your Majesty,
Permit me to add that today's gathering is far more than a ceremonial visit. It is a reunion of two great royal houses, two great kingdoms, whose destinies have been connected for more than 3 centuries. Nananom, long before the emergence of the modern state of Ghana, the Gonja Kingdom and the Ashanti Kingdom stood among the most powerful, well-organized, and influential African states in the South region. Our forefathers built enduring kingdoms founded on courage, justice, wisdom, and disciplined leadership. While the Gonja Kingdom, under the legendary Ismail Rajapa, established authority across a huge portion of northern Ghana, the Ashanti Kingdom, under the visionary leadership of J.P. I, united the Ashanti states into one of the greatest empires in African history. Ladies and gentlemen, although our two kingdoms are geographically separated, the problem of proximity in terms of geography notwithstanding, they have long been united by history and destiny. For centuries, trans-Saharan trade has connected Salaga, Kintampo, Techiman, and Kumasi as the only trade routes before the arrival of the Europeans. These served not only as corridors of commerce, but also as pathways of friendship, diplomacy, and cultural exchange. Gonja merchants supplied livestock, salt, shea butter, leather, textiles, and many other products, while the Ashanti traders brought gold, colors, and numerous other products, including manufactured products. This naturally benefited exchanges between the two kingdoms, and it benefited the entire country. That notwithstanding, we must also acknowledge the catastrophic effect of slave trade that brought untold suffering, devastation, misery, terror, and horror to our people. I here want to acknowledge the exceptional leadership that His Excellency President Dormaahene has provided in spearheading the call for repatriation to African nations and restitution of dignity to millions of Africans in the diaspora. They are still suffering from the effects of slave trade. It takes strong character. It takes limitless courage. It takes an enduring love for justice for a man to be able to push this agenda through. Nananom, beyond commerce, our relationship was further deepened through faith and scholarship. History records that distinguished Muslim scholars from the Gonja Kingdom were warmly welcomed in the Ashanti Kingdom, where they served in the royal court by offering spiritual guidance, prayers, Islamic scholarship, and wise counsel. Their presence reflected the deep trust, mutual respect, and enduring friendship that existed between our two kingdoms. It also demonstrated that our relationship was founded not only on trade and diplomacy, but equally on shared spiritual values, respect, intellectual exchange, and a common commitment to peaceful coexistence. Your Majesty, history also records movements when our kingdoms found themselves on opposing sides in the battlefield. Sad to say, but during the reign of P0werful, the Ashanti Kingdom extended its influence northwards, and the Gonja Kingdom experienced periods of armed conflicts. But this is the past. We have long forgotten and gone over all that. What we are praying for, Your Excellency, is the continuous cooperation between Gonja and the Ashanti Kingdom. our two kingdoms understood that the greatness of our kingdoms is measured not by perpetual conflict, but by their capacity for diplomacy, mutual respect, reconciliation, and shared prosperity. The visit therefore reaffirms the long-standing relationship between Gonja and the Ashanti, and a bond that has endured through generations and continues to grow stronger with passage of time. It is our sincere hope that this enduring friendship will continue to inspire greater collaboration, deepen mutual understanding, and strengthen the unity between our two kingdoms. Your Majesty, your outstanding contribution to peace building, together with other eminent chiefs, the Yagbonwura of Gonja and the Unity of Mampusi, is highly commendable. It is also widely acknowledged as a stabilizing force in this nation. Your pivotal role in the successful resolution of the Gabon Chieftaincy, despite all strong skepticism, remains a shining example of statesmanship, wisdom, and leadership. As traditional rulers, we have a sacred responsibility to preserve our customs and traditions while guiding our people towards peace and prosperity. In recent years, one challenge that has confronted many traditional areas across the country is the increasing incidence of land disputes. Land conflicts have the potential to divide families, communities, and traditional areas. They often delay developmental projects, discourage investment, and threaten social harmony. It is therefore my humble appeal that our two kingdoms will continue to work closely together and share experiences in promoting peaceful mechanisms for resolving land disputes. What is more important is to share knowledge and experiences on more effective and efficient systems of land administration. I believe that through dialogue, mediation, mutual respect, and adherence to customary laws, we can help to reduce tensions and maintain peace within our traditional areas. Let us strengthen cooperation between our kingdoms so that together we can become stronger advocates for peace and stability throughout the country. This visit, therefore, provides an opportunity for us to reaffirm our commitment to unity and collaboration. Ladies and gentlemen, another important issue confronting the institution of chieftaincy is the growing number of disputes relating to succession to skills and stools. Many traditional areas continue to experience challenges arising from uncertainties regarding customary succession and arrangements. In this regard, I respectfully wish to advocate for greater support from the government of Ghana to the Regional House of Chiefs and the National House of Chiefs to facilitate the codification and proper documentation of customary laws, family lineages, gates, skills, tools, and lines of succession. Such support will significantly reduce succession disputes, promote orderly transitions, preserve our customs, and strengthen the institution of chieftaincy. Your Royal Highness, you are a brother, and that brotherhood will continue. This may be the first official visit. More are yet to come. Long live the Gonja Asante bond of friendship. Long live Ghana, and may God bless us all. Wow.